Okay, today we're gonna open up the hockey booster packs. So let's get it. Let's see what we get. It's gonna be hockey. Like and subscribe and comment which card you want, and I will be sending it to you. The first individual that likes, subscribes, and comments the exact card they want will be getting it sent to them. Start with the artifacts. Rookie card, huh? Okay. Looks like it's a base pack. Let's move on to this pack. I think I forgot artifacts, but let's just move on to this pack. Oh, rookie threads. This one looks pretty cool. Like and subscribe, comment. This will be yours. This was the artifact I was missing. Let's see. Okay. Another rookie. Okay. Nothing really important there. Now let's get down to this one. Okay, nothing special. MVP's MVP. Ooh. Little gold color pinpoints. Somebody needs to like and subscribe. Okay. Okay. I ain't gonna complain right there. Check this out. Okay. I ain't gonna complain. Oh, okay. Okay, check this one out. Okay. Nothing there, buddies. Okay, let's see what we can get right here. Let's test our luck here. Okay, nothing. Nothing. That should be a little something right there. And no, nothing. Let's check this out. Okay, we're gonna move on to a 28 cards inside. Okay, put that to the side. Okay, okay. Moving on. Okay, these are upside down. Moving on. Upside down. Okay. Drop those by accident. Okay. Dropping the phone too. What's going on here? Okay. 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 Like and subscribe. Okay, okay. Another hit. Okay, upside down check, you know? No, nothing, okay. And we're gonna be down to our last couple of hockeys. Got a few more packs of hockey. Okay, let's see what we get here. It's gonna be the 30 pack. Orioles. Let me check that one out, huh? Bruh. Okay. Okay, this one's gonna be, no, nothing major yet. Nothing major. No luck here so far. And nothing, man. Nothing to catch your attention. Okay. Got one more that I missed. Got a young gun right here. Let's get it. Okay, got a young gun right there. Okay, this is gonna be the last of the hockey. Last of the hockey. See what we can get. Next video is gonna be baseball or basketball. see what we do, what I decide. One of the sports. Remember, guys, like and subscribe, and make sure you comment the name of the card that you see and you want, and it'll be sent to you, guaranteed. Like and subscribe. See? Okay. There we are. Okay. Put that to the side. Let's see what we get right here. Nothing so far. Nothing. Okay. I see that, Young Guns. Okay, Young Gunner. I see you. Okay. Series 1 checklist, 1/100. All right. Okay, that wasn't that bad. Okay, well, let's do a checkout on all the hits. Okay, got this card. Like and subscribe. Be the first individual. Like and subscribe. Be the first individual. Make sure 1 card each person, please. Don't be greedy. 1 card each person. Like and subscribe and comment the name, and it will be sent to you. My Instagram is cardman578. Give me a follow. Give me a DM. Get up in the DM. Let me know where to send it, and it will be sent. Give you my word. Pretty decent. Pretty good amount. Beautiful. Decent, good amount. I mean, I can't complain. We opened a fairly amount. You know what? This one is going to be for the first individual. The first individual that likes, subscribe, and comments is going to get this one off the bat. So choose one you want, first individual. You're getting this one off the bat for free. You don't have to worry about picking another one. This one is going to the first subscriber, first commenter, and you have to like it. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching, and hopefully you could be here for the next videos. I got some nice sport cards openings ready to go, some Digimon, Pokemon. Like and subscribe. Make sure you're following for the next videos. Thank you.